Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a professional gig image. First thing you have to do is log into your Canva. We'll make use of Canva to design gig image. So the first thing you have to do after you log into your Canva, it will bring you to the home page. So the first thing you have to do is search for Fiverr gig templates. So or Fiverr gig image, anyone of the two. So you can just click or Fiverr gig thumbnail or gig thumbnail, anyone. So let's search for Fiverr gig image. Yeah. So as you can see, it brings a lot of templates for you that you can make use of. So first thing you just have to do is look for a good template that fits what you want to design. So that's the first thing you have to do. So as you can see, I think this one is good for what I want to do. So I'll click on no more down business. So I think this is good. So as you can see, it will also bring many options for you that you can also check out again. So these are the other options. So you can also make use of the other option if you are really interested in making use of other option that just look into. So I'm actually trying to create a writing stuff. So I think this is great for me. Make use of this one. Then click on customize this template. So mind you, whenever you want to create a gig image for your Fiverr account, always make sure you look into who are into the same category as in the niche you have, the service you have all rented together. People and the nature of your service. Always make sure you look into them and see what people are also designed for their gig image so to get a job. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Fiverr and look for people who are in the same category. So as you can see, I'm trying to create design SEO article writer. So I can say SEO article writer. So I will edit everything there. So what do we do again? Come down, click on text, then go to add a subheading. So the subheading will be for this. So I will make use of SEO optimized content. So content. So let me add one edit to it to make it look professional. So make use of this. change the color to white. So let me just duplicate it so it will be easier for me with that. So let me check it again. So zero plagiarism. So it's going to add it to back, the comma. Click on layer. So send to back. Then I'll also duplicate one of them. So that's this. Then captivating. So I can also make use of this one. So I just write unique articles. Then that's all. So I can just reduce the size of the elements. So that's all. Then the last thing is me one more thing. So our call to action. Always make sure you don't forget the call to action button. Or the call to action button to it. Just 18. Mm. We are done creating our gig image. Then the next thing you just have to do is just download the gig image. Then click on share. Then scroll down. Click on download. Just make sure that it's nice and PDF. Always make sure it's in JPEG or PNG. So any one of the two, you can also make use of any one of the two. Then you click on the download button. Then done. Then after that, you can just make use of the big image. Just design them, include it to your Fiverr. Then you are free to go. So you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs like for my videos.